Charlotte, wake up, please.
Okay, Mom. I'm awake.
Elijah, it's morning. Time to get up.
I'm sleepy, Dad.
Charlotte, do you feel okay?
Yes, I feel good.
Elijah, come on, get out of bed.
Okay, I'm getting up. Mom, what time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Dad, is it school day?
Yes, it is.
Charlotte, make your bed, please.
Yes, Mom. Elijah, brush your hair.
Okay, Dad.
Mom, where is my uniform? Eh?
It's in your closet. Dad,
Where are my socks? They are on your chair.
Charlotte, hurry up, please. I'm coming, Mom.
Elijah, wash your face.
Yes, Dad.
Mom, I am brushing my teeth.
Good job, Charlotte.
Dad, I am brushing my teeth too.
Great, Elijah.
Charlotte, don't forget your bag.
I won't forget, Mom.
Elijah, wear your uniform.
Okay, Dad. Mom, can I wear this dress?
No, wear your uniform.
Dad, I can't find my shoes.
Look under your bed.
Mom, I'm ready.
Very good.
Zuh. Dad, I found my shoes.
Ah, well done.
Charlotte, come to the kitchen.
I'm coming.
Elijah, breakfast is ready.
Yay! Mom, what is for breakfast? Bread and milk. Dad, I like bread.
Me too.
Mom, can I have more milk?
Yes, you can.
Dad, I want more bread.
Here you go.
Charlotte, eat slowly.
Okay, Mom. Elijah.
Don't play with food. Sorry, Dad.
Sorry, Dad. Mom, I am full.
Good.
Dad, I am full too.
Great.
Charlotte, clean your hands.
Yes, Mom.
Elijah, wipe your mouth.
Okay, Dad. Mom, where is my water bottle?
On the table.
Dad, where is my bag?
Near the door.
Charlotte, check your bag.
Okay.
Elijah, check your books.
I will.
Huh?
Mom, I have my books.
Good job.
Dad, I have my pencil.
Nice.
Charlotte, put on your shoes.
Yes, Mom.
Elijah, put on your shoes.
Okay. Mom, I am ready to go. Great. Dad, I am ready too.
Good.
Charlotte, take your jacket. Yes, Mom.
Elijah, take your hat.
Okay, Dad. Mom, is it cold today?
Yes, a little.
Dad, is it sunny?
Yes, it is.
Charlotte, open the door. Okay. Okay.
Elijah, close the door.
Yes, Dad. Mom, I see the bus.
Hurry up.
Dad, I see my friend. Say hello.
Say hello.
Mom, goodbye. Hi.
Goodbye, Charlotte.
Dad, goodbye.
Goodbye, Elijah.
Charlotte, have a nice day.
Thank you, Mom.
Elijah, study well.
I will, Dad. Mom, I love you.
I love you too.
Dad, I love you.
I love you too.
Charlotte, be careful. I will.
Elijah, be a good boy.
Okay.
Mom, see you later. See you later.
Dad, see you later.
See you later.
Charlotte, don't forget lunch.
I have it. I think.
Elijah, don't forget your book.
I won't. I won't. Mom, I am on the bus.
Good.
Dad, I am walking.
Be careful.
Mom, sit it down.
Okay.
Okay? Dad, walk slowly.
Yes.
Mom, I see my friend.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Dad, I see my teacher.
Be polite.
Mom, the bus is moving.
Have fun!
Dad, I am near school. Good.
Mom, I feel happy.
I'm happy too.
Dad, I feel excited.
That's great.
Mom, I will learn today.
Yes, you will.
Dad, I will play too.
That's nice.
Mom, thank you.
You're welcome.
Dad, Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Mom, bye again. Bye.
Dad, bye again.
Bye!
Charlotte, enjoy your day.
I will.
Elijah, enjoy your day.
I will. I will. Mom, see you after school.
See you.
Dad, see you after school. See you.
Charlotte, smile.
I'm smiling. Elijah, smile. I'm smiling. Mom, I'm ready for school.
I'm proud of you.